Jake had just started learning about investing. He understood stocks, SIPs, and dividends, but then he came across two confusing terms: bonds and debentures. They both seem like loans. They both paid interest. So what's the difference? And more importantly, which one should an investor choose? Luckily, his beautiful friend Emma, who was a financial expert, to explain it in the simplest way possible.
Emma, I'm confused again.
That's becoming your habit, Jake. Now, confused for what?
Not so funny, Emma. Recently, I was reading about bonds and debentures. They both look the same. Aren't they just loans?
Well, you're actually not wrong. Both bonds and debentures are ways for organizations to borrow money from gem investors.
Then why do we have two different names?
That's because there's one major difference between them: security or collateral.
Collateral. What's that means?
Think of it this way. Imagine your friend wants to borrow $1,000 from you. In the first case, he says, "If I can't pay you back, you can keep my toothbrush." In the second case, he simply says, "Trust me, I'll pay you back." Which loan feels safer?
Obviously, the one with the toothbrush is a backup.
Exactly. That's basically the difference. A bond is usually backed by assets or government guarantees. A debenture is generally unsecured and relies mainly on the issuer's reputation and creditworthiness.
So, bonds are safer?
In most cases, yes. But no financial assets are completely safer. Risks are involved in every asset.
So if debentures are riskier, why would anyone buy them?
Great question, idiot Jake. Because higher risk comes with higher rewards. Let's say a government bond pays 5% interest. A company debenture pays 8% interest. The company offers a higher return to attract investors because it's considered riskier.
So more risk, more potential reward.
Exactly.
Can you give me a simple, real-life example?
Yeah, sure. Imagine you have $10,000 and you have two options. Option 1, you lend it to the government through a bond and earn 5% annually. Your money grows steadily with lower risk. Option 2, you lend it to a private company through a debenture and earn 8%. You may earn more money, but there's a greater chance the company could face financial trouble and eventually your money could not be returned.
So it's like choosing between a secure route and a faster route with more bumps.
Perfect analogy.
So which type of investors should invest in bonds?
Bonds are generally suitable for conservative investors, retirees, people seeking stable income, and investors who prioritize safety over high returns. In simple words, an investor who don't have enough guts to take higher risk. Just like you. If protecting capital is your main goal, bonds are often a better choice.
Sounds like the sleep peacefully at night investment.
Exactly.
And who should choose investing in debentures?
Debentures may suit moderate risk investors, people looking for higher interest income, investors willing to take some additional risk for better returns, just like me. But before investing, it's important to check the company's financial health, balance sheet, and credit rating.
So I shouldn't just invest because the interest rate looks attractive.
Never, you idiot! A high return means nothing if the borrower can't repay you. It's like putting your money into deep well.
Let me see if I got it right.
Go ahead, you idiot.
Bonds are generally safer because they're often backed by assets or government support. Debentures are usually unsecured and depend on the company's credibility. Bonds usually offer lower returns, whereas debentures usually offer higher returns.
That's exactly right. Before choosing between bonds and debentures, ask yourself one simple fucking question. What matters more to me, safety or higher returns? If your priority is stability, predictable income, and lower risk, bonds may be the better option. If you're comfortable taking a little more risk in exchange for potentially higher returns, debentures may be worth considering. Neither investment is universally better. The right choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy.
Thanks, Emma. Difference between bonds and debentures finally making much more sense.
Anytime for you, Jake. Investing becomes much easier when you understand where your money is going.
And now I know that not every loan investment is created equal.
Exactly. The smartest investors don't just chase returns, they understand the risks behind them.
If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the fucking notification bell so you never miss another simple investing lesson.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.